Good morning. It is 10:30 in the morning and it's 10:30 in the morning. It's 1st of October and I have my exams today. So basically आज मेरा first exam है of my final sem and I'm doing civil engineering. If most of y'all don't know about it, I'm doing civil engineering. मेरा final sem के exams first से 7th तक है I think. So it's like alternate days मेरे exams है and I am excited and nervous about it. So आज first चीज़ वो है, मेरा भी exam 11:30 को होने वाला है, 11:30 to 12:30. Today is like basically a very long day, so I thought I'll just vlog and show you all because you all liked the last vlog. So this is the first thing that we're gonna do. Secondly, I have to be a part of the YouTube creators live session. Like there is this thing जो YouTubers ने like they have conducted some sort of seminar or something जिसके अंदर सब YouTube is like you know it's an exclusive event where you know Kusha Kapila and you know many good like big YouTubers are going to be a part of it and I can see it, so I'm excited for that. That is also I think from 1 o'clock I think, and then उसके बाद I have to visit my dermatologist. So वहाँ पे भी मुझे जाना है, मुझे उनको अपनी skin दिखानी है, इसका dullness कभी जाने वाला है, how is everything going to happen, and you know today is going to be my second session. I did a few blood tests और उसके अंदर थोड़े things ऐसे बहुत high थे in my hormones, so वो सब उनको दिखाना है, उनको बताना है क्या करना चाहिए basically अभी उसके लिए. So ये सब करना है मुझे and I thought कि मैं आपको दिखाऊँ what my day is gonna look like. So now I'm gonna head to have shower. नहा के I'm gonna have breakfast and then I have my exam at 11:30. I only have 1 hour to do it, so बहुत already मैं late हूँ. So basically I can keep you guys posted and it's gonna be an interesting day. So let's see. I'm just out of shower and I thought to tell you what I'm using for my hair. You already know actually, but if you're new here, you should know that I'm a fan of this product because I get so many questions. Like yesterday itself, I was live and like most of the questions were how can I reduce hair fall and what should I do for my hair. Now this is the one thing that has been keeping me sane because my hair fall is crazy. So this is the Mamaearth Onion Hair Mask. It has onion oil and organic bamboo vinegar. This is such a good product. I just feel that this instantly makes such a big difference for my hair personally. So you know I've been using this for so long. Like if you've been following me for some time, you know that I already made a dedicated video on this product because I love it so much. This is I think by far my second or third tub. I don't even remember. My entire family uses this. It's paraben and silicone free, it's hypoallergenic and it has bioactives. It's so good for your hair. If you have massive hair fall, like you started from your scalp and you go until the ends of your hair, you keep it on for 15 to 20 minutes and you are good to go. You will see the difference in the first wash itself and you will tell me how much you love it. It is that good. I love this product. You can use Prableen 20, that's the code. You can use this on Mamaearth's website and get 20% off. All these Mamaearth products are available on Mamaearth, Amazon, Nykaa and Purple. It's available on all these 4 platforms, so it's completely safe to get your hands on these products from there. You know that Mamaearth is plastic positive and I completely support the cause, and it's also an Indian brand. Is like now is the time where you want to support the Indian brands, and I've said that so many times already. So yeah, now I have like a long day to go, so I'm gonna keep you posted and let's go. मैं अभी just बैठी हूँ to get my breakfast done. किसी के भी घर पे ऐसे पड़ा रहता है like ऐसे random stuff just here and there. Sorry. मैं अभी just नहा के आई. It's not even 11 o'clock, so I still have like half an hour to get done with my breakfast and all for my exam. I'll show you. This is basically what I'm eating for my breakfast. There are 2 prontas, like 2 parathas. We'd call it prantha in Punjabi. I have my chai and I have rajma. I love rajma and it's really good for like it's a good protein, like intake of protein, and I really like it. So this is what I'm having for breakfast. I like personally to have heavy breakfast so that you know मैं पूरा दिन ज़्यादा इतनी मुझे भूख नहीं लगती, मुझे breakfast बहुत heavy चाहिए होता है. So this is what I have to do. I'll just finish my breakfast and then I'll come back because we still have to do our skincare and I also have to get ready. I'm just wearing this very loose t-shirt and denim, like ripped jeans. But we'll just accessorize it a little bit when we have to leave for the doctor. So let's see. My exam just got done. I just submitted my answers and we're done. Now we're going to do some skincare and I have to film thoda bahut. So I'll finish all that and I'll keep you guys posted. So the creators camp is going on right now on my laptop. This is how it's happening. So we have many influencers, like many YouTubers, like talking about their journey, how the pandemic has sort of like impacted them and all of that, and they're giving like insights and stuff. So this is going to be wrapped up in some time. I have to do a shoot for a brand which I've committed to them. So मुझे वो चीज़ shoot करनी है, and it's one of my favorite brands that I have to shoot for. So I'm excited to do that. So basically I'm going to finish the shoot because I have to go to the doctor at 5 o'clock को मेरी appointment है. तो मुझे यहाँ से at least I think 4 o'clock तक तो निकलना ही पड़ेगा. It's already 2:30 and I'm gonna have my lunch now in 5-10 minutes. I'll wrap up the shoot. Then I'll leave for the doctor's appointment. So I'll keep you guys posted.
Next left onto SV Road.
Basically, okay, I got a lot of questions related to this watch, which is from Casio. It's super pretty, super nice, and yeah, I'm wearing a basic black t-shirt, ripped jeans. These earrings are from Shein, which is not available right now, so peace out. So yeah, I'm heading on the way. It's showing that it's gonna take another 40 minutes to reach, and my appointment is at 5, so I really hope I reach on time. And let's see. You know what I just realized? I'm really not the kind of a person who even travels in Ola. Like, I'm so used to driving my car, but like it's so much of comfort. Like, you know, you don't have to do anything, and it's just nazare ka maza lo, bro. And you know, I can do my work, I can get my work done. I'm just sitting with my entire setup. I had to finish a few mails and a few editings, so have to do all that, and it's just a comfortable situation right here. And we almost reached Goregaon. It's another like 15 minutes route, so let's see. We're almost here at the clinic. Comfy clothes, check. So I just left from the clinic and I'm on the way back home. रास्ते में बहुत ज़्यादा super traffic scenes, but we're heading back. I'm on my way. We hosted a giveaway, okay, like 5 of us, 6 of my influencer friends, and my Instagram is glowing. Like, can you see this? Can you see the amount of followers? It's crazy. Guys, we just crossed 50,000 followers. I cannot believe it's happened. Like, I cannot believe we are a family of 50,000 people. I'm still, I think, like processing the fact that it's happened. I'm so overwhelmed. Like, I can't believe it's 50,000 on my page. Like, can you see that? 50,000, dude. 50,000 people know my face, and I'm like, I'm emotional and I'm happy and I'm just overwhelmed, and I'm so grateful. Like, thank you so much for constantly just being there and giving so much love and support. Like, it just wouldn't have been possible without you. Thank you so much. Thank you. That is pretty much it. I just washed my face. I applied Epiduo. If you can see, I've done a little spot treatment. That's pretty much it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed watching it. If you all did, definitely hit the thumbs up and let me know if you want to see more vlogs.